So we are tuned into live, and let's see who are the first ones to join us today at Peeping Moon. So today we are going to have a very special guest with us. Normally handsome boy decided to take a route via a short film, then web series, and then come onto the silver screen. Now, in last couple of years, there has been a lot of love flowing for the young actor, and today, on demand from the fans, we decided to bring Sunny Kaushal up to your houses just close by, nearby, so you guys can have a nice chit chat. So I'll request you who all are sending highs right now. It will be really sweet as soon Sunny joins us. You guys send across your questions so we can definitely have a nice chat with him. And though I have my questions ready in this quarantine times, I guess you should be also having some really nice things to ask him. So the time bomb is ticking, and in another couple of minutes he'll be there with us. So yes, stay tuned. And meanwhile, hi to everyone on the feed who's been sending us all this good afternoon, Wagmare. Someone has a nice good afternoon wish to give. And there are a couple of people who are waving. So yeah, just in a few minutes, Sunny will be here and we'll be all ready to be with the actor. So stay tuned with us. I'll request you everyone, please send across your questions. It will be really sweet. So along with the highs, we can have lots of queries for Sunny, who was wholeheartedly agreed to sit down, have a nice chat with each one of you and answer some of your lovely questions out there. I can see fans coming in, and just a few strikes full. Soon we'll be having Sunny with us. Guys, any questions, feel free. I'll be noting them down, and as soon as Sunny is here, I'll make sure he answers everyone who has a query for him. Hi Neerav, hi Shata. Just give us a few minutes. Here, and we are equally excited. So, just few more minutes and let's share the excitement together. Okay, I'll definitely ask him why is he so hot. Thank you, Rasika. And let me check. Definitely his upcoming projects are on my radar. So I think Sunny should be with us. Well, today is only for Sunny Kaushal, all and out for him. Hi,
Hi.
Sunny. How are you?
Hello. I am good. How are you?
Hi.
Let me
How's the
just.
quarantine going for
Yeah.
you? Can you hear me? Is it good?
Quarantine is going amazing for me, actually. How's it going for you?
Yeah, I can hear you. I guess maybe do you need me to be louder? Yeah, now it's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, no, I think the network was a bit weak.
Yes. So can we
Yeah.
start? Finally.
Yeah. Of course.
Yes. So how's quarantine going for you? That's the first question the fans have.
Well, the quarantine is going just like everybody, yeah. I'm just lost. I don't know what to do with the time. You know?
Any new activities you have started learning? Any new have hobbies you discovered?
Yeah, actually, you know what? I've always wanted to customize shoes. So I've been trying to do that. I've taken a pair of shoes that I don't wear, and I'm trying my hand at it and painting it. But अब पंगा वही है मुझे पता नहीं पेंट कितना.
Can we see where you have reached? Can you show us what you have been painting, or we have to wait for? I guess I'm losing out on you a bit here. Yeah, I
Are
can
you?
easily see you. I just can't hear you, that's it.
Yeah, well, I can see you now.
Yeah, I think it's just a bit connection. They have already slowed down the net.
Yeah, I know, man. It's actually quite slowed down.
It
Yeah,
is. So, Sunny,
yeah.
where we'll
Sorry.
start with
First,
something
let me
very
just
interesting.
apologize. Let me just apologize to everybody for the slow internet connection. I'm sure everybody is facing this.
I think everyone knows we are all sailing in the same boat.
Yeah,
Even
yeah,
Vicky left out his engineering and came to films, and you, I guess, left
yeah,
out your CA and came to films.
yeah, yeah.
What is it with you guys leaving studies at back and coming over to
No,
films?
no. Okay, so the difference is Vicky completed his engineering and I
Okay.
left my CA.
Why you didn't like it?
No, it's not that. And it was like after I finished my graduation when I was like around 21, I had a choice whether to
Mhm.
spend 2 more years of my life doing CA, which I knew in my heart that I will never pursue it as a career, or do something that I knew I wanted to do with that time. So I dropped out of CA and I
Mm.
shifted my focus to this industry.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I
Asking
think
me
very
where's
few people
Vicky?
know about the fact. Like you started with a short film, if I'm not wrong, Sunshine Music.
Hi guys. Hi everyone. Yeah, hi. Can you hear me? Okay. Ah.
With a short film and then moved to web.
Yeah, so I
Why
started
this
out with a short film. It's
unconventional
called.
thing?
Yeah, I just did what I got. So the short film that I did was called Bunny. It was directed by Vasan Bala, who directed Madh Khudar Nahi
Hmm.
Hota Hai. And then I did a feature film. So Travels is a feature film. So that was my first film. And then I moved to web because yeah, work, yeah, you have to keep working, right? So
And
whatever
Official
you get.
Chokyagiri and CO Giri both got very good reviews. Like it's one of like
Yeah,
the
they did.
finest things we have on web, definitely.
How sweet. Thank you so much. Yeah, it was quite an experience working on that. It was like I was also new, they were also new, and it was a small setup. It was quite nice.
And
Yeah.
then how did Gold happen out of the blue? We just see you Gold. I vividly remember meeting you for the interviews. Like it was like out of the blue from
Yeah.
web, and you landed on Gold. How was it?
Yeah. Gold happened. Well, I got to know that they had opened auditions for this character called Himmat Singh, and he was supposed to be a Sardar. I said, "That's great. I mean, I don't mind, of course not." So I gave an audition for it, and that's how it happened. And then they probably liked me to give me the part.
You were not scared that you are doing like a part in the film and not doing that typical dancing around the trees and an action thing in your first film, sort of.
Actually, I was not because it please get Vicky. Guys, I can't get Vicky. This is an interview with me, not Vicky. Vicky के लिए
You
अलग
know
से
what?
इंटरव्यू करना पड़ेगा.
Vicky को हम अलग से बुलाएंगे. Don't worry. But right now with you, Sunny, you tell me. I really want to know why not a quintessential Bollywood debut?
No, like I said, I think I had lost you in between. Can you hear me now?
Why
Can you hear me?
you never opted for like a typical Bollywood debut?
No, it's not about I not opting for it. It's about the movie choosing me more than that. And when I gave the audition and I read the script and heard the whole
Okay. So
part,
you
it
were not
was
like
just really
chasing कि
beautiful.
मुझे ऐसा ही कुछ करना है.
No, I mean, you always have an idea, but then you get something better than you do that, right? So the Himmat Singh's
Agreed.
character was that for me, that it was once in a lifetime opportunity.
Year 2019 was a mixed bag of emotions. We had this
Yeah,
beautiful short film made to Filmfare Short Film Awards, but then on the other hand, as like 2020
yeah,
started, and in between we have Bhangra Pale. It didn't meet up to your expectations, or
yeah,
for that matter, audience. Was it heartbreaking because you were very good in
yeah.
those Bhangra sequences? Like from I have seen you
Thank
train even at one of the shoots.
thank you.
Like how was it? Like how you cope up
Yeah.
with that kind of a disappointment so early?
I think you get into a film knowing that it's a 50-50 chance, that it can either work or it can either not work. So it was that, and we gave our heart and souls to the film. So we were content there that we have given our best, and now it depends on the audience whether they receive it or no. And it happens there sometimes. So it's not like you do feel a bit disappointed, you do feel a bit sad about it, but then you have to just bounce back and work because that's what like they say, the show must go on. So you keep
So
looking
show
for
must come.
new stuff, and yeah, and you learn from it. It's your learning whether what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and then that's how you mold yourself into what you see yourself to be.
So when that and with this early on, like along with you, there are so many young lads out there and so many new boys. There is,
Yeah.
do you sense there is a stiff competition? Like how you going to make a place for yourself? What do you want to pick up? Like Tiger Shroff says that action is going to be my forte. I'm unabashedly going to do action. What about Sunny? What is Sunny going to focus on?
I I have I literally don't know. I'm just taking it as it comes, and I'm literally seeing. What I just want to do is be a little versatile. I just want to not keep repeating the same kind of films as far as possible. Uh, right, Ankita,
Yeah, I think in between we just lose you. We lose to the net game, but yeah, we are still there.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, I can.
Can you hear me now?
Okay. Yes, I can. So coming back to something which I really wanted to ask, the Forgotten Army. One of the
Yeah,
best shows we
yeah.
started 2020 with, and it was a beautiful piece of art, I would say. So much heart and soul, so much
Thank you.
detailing. Like, like, how was it like? That was, I would say, one of the most path-breaking shows which we normally don't get. We are often accused कि
Yeah,
हमारा web up to the mark नहीं है, and then we come out with something
yeah,
so grand. How did
yeah.
that fall into place? What was it like? How it changed your course of work?
Oh, it changed in a big way because first of all, to work with Kabir sir was a dream come true. You know,
Hmm.
we all new actors, we want to work with Kabir sir, and to get an
Awesome.
opportunity to work with him was just amazing. And I remember I was still shooting for Gold in Punjab when I got a call from Mukesh Chavda, casting director. And then once the shoot got over, I came back, I auditioned for it, and yeah, that's how I got the part. But it was such a great opportunity not only to work with a person like Kabir sir, who's just amazing, but also to be able to tell a story which I did not know, you
Hmm.
know, and I kind of take interest in history, but that chapter I did not know about, you know, about the
Exactly. It
INA and
was an
how they fought for it.
untold story
So
for so
that was an
many.
opportunity. Yeah, yeah, true. So that's what. So we took it
So,
as an opportunity. We took it as a responsibility to tell the audience that story.
nice. But Sunny, with this, and now you have a very different trajectory of work coming, Hurdang and Shiddat. They are like, if I'm not wrong, more on the
Yeah,
romantic lines.
yeah.
On... So, what is this transit? How are you
Yes, yes,
shifting
yes. The
one
romance
space
and
to
drama.
another? One's in drama. Which is the one you have enjoyed the most, or you're enjoying till the time we went to the lockdown period? Enjoy romance or drama? What is
Oh,
it? Tell us.
I thoroughly enjoy both actually. You know, because that's what I said. I'm just looking for different stuff to do, and luckily I am kind of getting different stuff. You know, on my way. So both of the films, the underlying thing is of romance, but Hurdang is more high up on the drama because it's set in a very political background, you know, in the 1990s India. And Shiddat is an out and out romantic film, you know, about this boy meets the girl and, you know, it's just there. So both of them are romance based, but very different characters from each other I got to play. Worked with very different people, like in Hurdang, it's Nusrat and Vijay, were just fabulous to work with. You know, working with Vijay and Nusrat
Exactly.
was just amazing. In Shiddat, it was Radhika, uh, who's just such a spontaneous, beautiful actor she is. It was just amazing working with Radhika on it, you know. So yeah, both two very different worlds, but thoroughly enjoyed both of them.
Hey, you praising your co-stars and tablets were busy printing that. Okay, I will not take the name. You tell me. People want to know who Sunny Kaushal dating. Please, are you eligible? Are you single? Let's get it straight.
Yeah, I'm very much single. I'm not dating anybody here. I know I've read the tabloids, but that's just not right.
Tablets were having a fun time telling that you and your Forgotten Army co-star Sharvari are a thing. So we are
Yeah.
answering all the fans who've been asking, is Sunny single?
Yeah, yeah, no, and me and Shaguri were having fun reading all those tabloids because we used to laugh about.
Girls, that Sunny is very much single.
Yes.
Girls available. You can approach Sunny. Okay, Sunny. On a
Yeah,
little different note, uh,
yeah,
I just wanted to ask, is it still happen like people refer to you as Vicky's brother first, or maybe Sham's son first, and then as Sunny Kaushal? Are you still
yeah,
on that middle road?
yeah. Sometimes it does, but that's
So
fine. I mean,
had there been,
it's yeah. Sorry, what were
no,
you
no, I
asking?
was just asking, had there ever been a funny incident where someone must have mistaken you maybe for Vicky?
No, I mean, what has happened is I think I was shooting for Hurdang in Allahabad,
Hmm?
and somebody has come up running to me. Our vanity van was parked, and we just shot, and I was just getting in my van, and somebody has come running to me. These group of girls, like you know, 14, 15 year olds, and they have come up to running to me, and they're like, sir, can we please get a picture with you? Can we please get a picture with you? We are great fans of your brother. He's not here, but can we get a picture with you? That's enough. I said, I said, sure, why not? Please take a picture of me. You know, So yeah,
Do
that
you
was quite
do you often get this weird request that can you please make us talk to Vicky? Because it happens
yeah,
maybe
a
when
lot,
this
a lot. I
has
mean,
it.
I'm telling you. Like people give me stuff when I'm shooting. I was in Pune and there was this person who came up to me and he's like, "Sir, please can you give this to Vicky? I'm a huge fan of his." You know, and I was like,
It's
"Bro,
cute also.
it is very cute. It is very cute. It's kind of it's very. I feel very proud also. You know, and it's fun. It's fun. I have fun.
You have fun. But on another note, Sunny, normally it's very rare when we have siblings in Bollywood. They are on the
Yeah,
same mantle. There's always like a 1920, 1920 going on. Are you
yeah.
mentally prepared that maybe in the longer run in the career, there might be a 1920 between you and Vicky as well? Like someone is here, someone is there, sort of thing.
Yeah, always. And why just Vicky? It'll be with anybody just because he's my brother. It's a different
Yes,
thing.
it
But you know,
becomes
as
like, yeah, it
artists, we are
becomes
two very
bigger
different
just
people.
because, yeah.
Yeah,
Hmm.
but as artists, we are two very individual people and very different people from each other, you know. So, and there's a lot to learn from each other. So वो तो हमेशा ही रहेगा, you know. You'll always fall back, you'll bounce back, you'll fall back, you'll bounce back. But that's your journey as an artist, and that's how you learn.
So, is there anything which you and Vicky have been doing together in this quarantine period? I had one of these questions earlier, so I need to answer. Everyone is asking me that. Any
Okay,
activity
I'll
which
tell
you
you.
guys are.
Yes, we have actually. So we have been recently, I have been, because I am very proudly, I'm going to say this, better in kitchen. So there's this new hype on internet called Dolgana or whatever that coffee is.
जो हम बचपन से ही बना रहे हैं
जो हम
सनी
बचपन से फेंट के बना रहे हैं, हम बस
फेंक
पहले
रहे
वो
हैं हम
फेंट, करेक्ट, हम पहले वो
अब
फेंटते थे,
उसे
बाद
नाम
में
मिल
दूध
गया है
डालते थे। हाँ, क्या कहते हैं उसे? डोलगोना कॉफी, समथिंग लाइक दैट, आई डोंट नो।
हाँ समथिंग लाइक दैट
हाँ,
या
समथिंग, आई डोंट नो।
डोलगना कॉफी आई गेस
Yeah, but it's very famous. It's called the quarantine coffee for some reason. So, Vicky stumbled upon it first, but now I've been obsessed with perfecting that coffee.
पीक्स या द सॉफ्ट पीक्स या व्हिच
Yeah,
कम्स
जो ऊपर का जो cream होता है ना
ऊपर
coffee का,
का
so
लेयर
I have,
हाँ
yeah, so I have been obsessed with perfecting it, and every day I'm going in the kitchen and trying to make that perfect cream and making Vicky also taste it. I am also doing it, so that is something that we have discovered together.
या सो बट यू आर बेटर एट इट
I'm definitely much better at it. Vicky can't do anything in the kitchen. I mean, he'll make a mess.
Girls, please, Sunny's much better in kitchen. Point noted.
Yes.
But Sunny, also, it can be very tough. Like, though it's a blessing because you guys are also uh, forever in front of camera. It's a lights, camera, action world for you. Does it bother that once, like in last couple of days, there is no one saying Sunny sir, ek photo, Sunny sir is here, the paps are not
Yeah.
there, the
Yeah.
media is
Yeah.
missing. Is it a little different?
Yeah. Yeah. But it's a much needed break. I'll be very honest. Right now. But just because थोड़े से ही दिन बीते हैं, it's a much needed break. After that, it's going to uh,
It's going to be the
be
same
very.
madness.
It's going to be the same madness. But we love it. You know, we are actually waiting to go back to work because हो गया छुट्टी बहुत हो गई. And once you're in that grind, you know, you don't realize, but you actually, once you're habituated to work a lot, and a lot of people will agree with me, हो गया 2 दिन 3 दिन 4 दिन, but after that you want to go back to
Huh,
work and do that because your mind needs that
that kind of stimulation.
stimulus. Yeah.
And your is your mother not ready to right now kick out the boys because आप लोग बहुत दिनों से घर पर हो? Like it's isn't mom saying कि हो गया चलो काम पे?
No, actually, she's very happy because now we are eating together. We are, you know, kind of chilling the whole day, and so yeah,
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 I've
she's
been
quite
seeing your
happy.
pictures, the poetries you guys have been putting both of you,
Yeah, yeah. Vicky has been
and
putting
the
up
gem of
poetry.
yeah, and the gem of childhood pictures are coming from nowhere.
Yeah, I don't know where he found those pictures, man, but that was great. It was a pleasant surprise
It
to me
became
also. I was sitting
viral.
in
Do
my,
you have an idea?
yeah,
It literally
I
became
saw that.
viral. Who's Vicky, who's Sunny? People were like debating who's who.
Yeah, yeah, I saw that. I saw that. Red stuff.
Okay, Sani, before I give you my last question and we take over fans' question, I need to
Yeah,
ask, will it be ever Sunny and Vicky together in future, in a film, in a web series, anything?
yeah, I hope so. I definitely hope so. I really want to. We both actually want to work with each other because we both find each other. You know, it's very fascinating because when you know somebody so personally,
And so
when you
many
watch them
years.
on
It's not
screen,
like,
yeah,
yeah, it's like
obviously it's
since
been like
birth sort of thing.
since birth. And so when you see them on screen in a different persona, it's very endearing to you. You know, कि मतलब यार, he's not this person. I know him so closely, but I don't know how he's able to pull this off. So that will be very interesting to share the screen space with him.
And given one role of Vicky which you would like to steal and do it. One role कि अगर उसकी सारी films में से एक role you would have to pick and steal for yourself.
One role for Vicky. I think it'll be Deepak from Assam.
Oh, that's lovely.
That's
But
my
I think you
favorite.
would look even good with Uri also. You would make for a dashing officer.
Yeah, but I've played an officer of my own now, so that's fine. But that Deepak, I hearing character, and that I would love to.
Yeah, that's one of the most path-breaking films also. Normally, before even like with Vicky, with Masan also broke clutter because we were so
Hmm.
used to having typical films as we were talking about. Like even you
Hmm.
and both of you guys have a very unconventional way into films.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, like I said, our own journeys.
So fans are here asking that we are really waiting for Hurdang and Shiddat. And then there are hearts coming. Take my name, please. All yours, Sunny. There are fans who are
Drama
dying to
Queen.
talk to
Hi,
you.
Drama Queen. Hi, Anna. What are you
What are
doing
you
these days,
these
Sunny?
days?
Bro, it's what everybody else is doing, just trying to do something at home.
I have been watching all your interviews. You're so cute. Who's
Thank
your
you, thank you,
celebrity
thank
crush?
you.
Good question.
Who's my celebrity crush? I don't know. It's been Alia since a long time. But that's purely
Nice.
because
We can.
and that's purely because I love her body of work, and the way she transforms in front of camera. I don't know her personally, so
Your eyes are so beautiful, Sunny. I am not saying it. Fans are saying.
thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm also trying to read all the comments. Wishing you
I
all the
love
best
you,
for your
Sunny.
future plans.
You're son of my life. Okay, someone has
Oh
said it,
wow,
Sunny.
thanks,
It's
thanks.
done. It's
Where
logged.
where is Vicky? Somebody is asking. Vicky is here around somewhere.
They are as if they're dying like Vicky will jump from
हाँ
back
मतलब आ
in this.
जाएगा पीछे से
Hi.
ऐसे. What is the most memorable part of shooting for Shiddat in UK?
Yes.
I think the whole UK experience for me is memorable. Even for Gold, we were in UK, and I just love UK. I can go back to UK any number of times. I just love that place. So, just go out, sit in a cafe, have coffee, observe people. That's my favorite thing to do. And yeah, so I think the whole
Okay. So
experience was
two very
amazing.
fun questions came up.
Yeah.
Recommend a good book to read.
Hmm.
And someone wants to ask if you, Vicky, Tapsi, and Bhumi are left together in the room, who will be with who?
That's such a weird question. I don't know.
That's
Who
such.
will be with who?
People have some funny
I think we
ideas going
I
on.
think we all will sit and play Ludo.
Any book recommendations people are asking?
Yeah, I have a video on my Instagram, 10 book recommendations for this quarantine. Uh, so you can go there and check it out.
And then people are asking, who's your role model?
Who's my role model? Yeah, my role models frankly keep changing. It's not one person. Whoever kind of inspires me in a day-to-day life becomes my role model. So it's not one, it can be many. You know, my mom, Vicky, dad, people, the artists that I admire. So it's a lot of people around you that become your role model, and you kind of want to emulate some aspect of their lives in yourself.
Someone wants you to either sing or talk in Punjabi. Please pick.
मैं पंजाबी च गल करना चाहूंगा फिर क्योंकि ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗਾਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ.
There's, this is so nice. You're so good with Punjabi.
Yeah,
Really?
we talk in Punjabi at home.
Bas,
So which is why
done.
I'm
Matlab, ab
pretty good
we'll
at
propagate this new thing about Sunny. Unknown content.
it. Which is why I get so many Punjabi roles, na. Which because I
Arey, it suits you. Gabru
yeah.
Jawan.
Thanks. Hi,
Okay.
Adunika. Adunika and me are building friends. She stays right above me, actually. Hi, Adunika.
So sweet. What is the best advice given to you? I'm also trying to figure out. Songs you have been hooked up to.
Songs I have been hooked up to. Yeah, actually, since this period has started, I'm kind of bored of my collection. So please, guys, if you all can give me some suggestions of new songs because मुझे पता नहीं है कोई नए गाने आ नहीं रहे हैं तो मैं
Uh,
वही पुराने
old
पंजाबी
song.
गाने सुन
Okay,
सुन
pick
के
up
बोर
an
हो
old
गया
song. Pick up an old song. Something which has haven't always been a favorite. Tell the viewers then.
oh then it will be Sajna Ve Sajna by Gurdas Mann that
Arey,
that is one of my all-time
nice.
favorite songs
Okay,
yeah
I'll skip the question, Sunny, because people are very keen to know is Vicky dating Katrina?
also we वो तो देख भी नहीं रहा मैं I'm concentrating on questions directed to me. Make him sing. Rukshar, no, Rukshar, I'm not going to sing. Please, I'm not singing. Hi, Rukshar. First of all, Rukshar and me work together on Bhangra Pale, guys. And
Exactly.
she's
Even Fatima's here. Fatima's on your live. Fatima said a hi.
oh, nice. Take my name. Sargam. Hi, Sargam.
Sunny looks at okay, people I guess love all this pairings and all. One
Yeah.
active Sunny, if you have to collaborate with, why your choice? Or maybe one director you also to collaborate with.
Sorry, I lost you there.
One actor or director on anyone who you really want to collaborate with. Something on your wish list.
One act. I'm gonna wait. Can you hear me now?
So sorry, I lost you there.
Yeah. I think we both are losing each other.
Yeah, so the lastly, like any director you are like really keen to work with right now, any kind of film you're really looking forward to.
Any director that I'm really many directors I'm really keen to work with, man.
Come on, pick one, like first one, like first.
Yeah. I've been actually Zoya.
Ah, that's a
Since
nice choice.
her first film, I remember I was in AD when her first film came out, Lakpai Chats, and
You were AD in Gunde, you were AD in, I remember,
My Friend Pinto.
you, My
So
Friend Pinto, yes.
When Lakpai Chats came out, I was in
It was
AD on My Friend
2011.
Pinto. Yeah, yeah. I just passed out of college, so since then I've been quite enamored by Zoya and her. So yeah, Zoya.
So, okay, so Zoya as a director, Alia is picked up as the favorite actress out here, or maybe someone you like. And let's
Yeah,
have
Alia would love
one
to work with
you, oh yes, and one actor apart from Vicky, you really want to work with.
Ranveer.
It will be too much of energy in one room.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, he tops the chart for the energy, man.
He's some other, he's from other planet, किसी और दुनिया से है when it comes to
He's
energy.
just yeah. I know.
Okay, Sunny,
What
your
is your
eyes are really
favorite
beautiful.
dance form apart from Bhangra? Nice.
Hmm.
My favorite dance form apart from Bhangra would be hip hop, locking, and popping. I keep doing that in front of the mirror.
Oh, nice. So, are you a
Keep
trained
practicing
dancer
that.
or
Yeah.
are you a trained
I'm not.
dancer
I'm
or
not a
is
trained
just
dancer.
so you have learned all
Not
this
at
over
all.
the
It was
years?
we. Yeah, I just picked up as a hobby. Took part in cultural fests and extracurricular activities in school and building and complex and all. And that's how we kind of got into it.
Okay, now I'm handling over you the questions. Last couple of minutes, whatever questions you find to answer, please do, because it's for fans.
Pick my name, please.
Please.
Nandu. What is this? Please tell me what is this with picking names?
So, okay, the moment you will say the name, that part of
Huh.
footage will now definitely go on their stories that Sunny took my name.
Oh, like that.
So,
Like
I
that.
know Sunny.
Oh, okay, I didn't know
Guilty
that.
pleasure, Sunny. Guilty pleasure.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Please, guys, take my name. I'll put this on the story. uh,
What's your guilty pleasure? Come on, tell us.
what's my guilty pleasure? Yeah, I have. It would be actually shopping for sneakers.
Really?
Yeah, I am I am I am a huge sneakerhead, and I know I sometimes waste money on it, which is why it's and later I feel really bad about it. So I think yeah.
So when will be we seeing this pair of sneakers which we have been talking about for last 30 minutes?
Soon actually. It's quite so. This is the pair of sneakers. I've just painted the sole white, and I need to repaint the whole upper and everything. So let's see how it turns out.
Nice. What are
Yeah.
the 3 habits which will improve your life?
Oh wow! I've suddenly become a life coach. Man, I frankly I really don't know. I mean, I need to improve my life. Please tell me some habits to improve my life. You know. But I can tell you the generic ones. Please have a disciplined life. Wake up early. Respect your elders. Work hard. Have fun.
There is this one girl who has sent enough messages saying that please say hi to Aritra.
Hi, Aritra.
Okay, because it's like too many hearts going on. But thank you so
Yeah.
much, Sunny, for
Thank
your
you so much.
time. Anything, a parting
My
message
pleasure.
for your fans because we still have almost 15 days to go in this.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. Nee,
something for
I
everyone
just
to
would
take as
love
a
to,
learning.
yeah, I just would love to say that we all are in this together, yeah, and we have to fight this together, you know. So please don't lose your cool. That's very important that you stay yourself and try to learn something new. I think that's the best way to keep yourself busy and engaged, and not just be on your computer and on Instagram and on watching something. Just try to kind of learn new stuff if you can, and yeah, just be at home, just be safe, just be happy, and help the environment and help everybody else around you. We shall get through this together.
Done. Thank you
Thank you so
so much,
much.
Sunny. Thank you so much for your time. We really loved it. Thank
It
you.
was lovely.
Bye.
And thank you everybody. Thank you everybody. Bye.
Bye.